What's up guys? Today we are going to be going out and skiing in the Little Cottonwood Canyon. I'm going to be using these guys right here, the Fisher Hannibal 96s. I just put a fresh coat of wax on these guys with my brother. So they're going to slide really fast down the hill. Along with that, I got some new boots this year. I had the $80 pair of boots last year just to see if I like ski touring, and I decided I need a boot that fits me and a boot that will not rub my foot raw. I searched all over and I was able to pick up these puppies, the Dynafit TLTXs. Pretty stoked to get to try these out. So without further ado, let's get out there. So I would say the setup is the most difficult part about getting out backcountry skiing, because there's just so much stuff you have to have ready. If you forget one thing, then you're kind of SOL. For instance, if you don't have the skins, they call them on the back of the skis to walk up the hill, you're booting up the hill, and that's really difficult, especially when there's deep snow. All right, later in post, we're gonna see how long that took. I'm trying to beat Justin. Justin's got a record time of like 50 seconds. Here I am just starting. And I'm at like a minute 30, 2 minutes. So every time it's an improvement, so. Wow. It's insane. You. All right, so that was some incredible skiing. A lot of work to get there, but we did it. One more thing, I'm gonna go see if I can fly my drone. It's getting a little pretty out here. It's almost sunset, so it'll be pretty sweet. All right, here we go. So I think that's gonna be it for today. You know, it's a pretty great day. I got to go out and go ski, got to go out and fly the drone. It's been pretty incredible. I was really hoping to get out there and go ice fishing today, but there aren't really many lakes that are near me that are frozen over yet. Hope to have more of these types of videos as well. Now that there's kind of more stuff to do. We just got a ton of snow last night. It's been pretty incredible, but sorry it's been a while since I've made a video. I had a buddy come from Michigan. I also had family come here for Thanksgiving, so the last month has just been really busy, but now I'm trying to keep up and continue week by week. Thank you for such the great response on that last video, or 2 videos ago. That was incredible. 9,000 views. I am just flabbergasted by that. I wasn't really expecting that. I went out of the blue and I kind of just took a half day because I'm like, I want to give this a shot. I see a lot of other guys doing this, so maybe it'll work, but it did. So the response was great. So I'll keep on doing those types of videos in the future, or even this, if this gets good feedback. I'm still trying to figure out like what's my niche for my videos. So yeah, but there's a lot of cool stuff to come. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.